Question number 11. A cylinder with the circumference of the base 132 units and height 120 units is filled with oil till 11 upon 12th of its height. A spherical ball with the diameter 36 units dropped inside the cylinder such that it is completely immersed in the oil, due to which a small amount of oil is spilled out. Find the volume of the oil spilled out. So what happens is the height is given as 120 units and it says that only 11 by 12th of the height has been filled. So this is 110. So the empty part is only 11 units. Now the circumference of the base, let's assume the radius to be capital R. So the circumference of the base is 132 units. So from here we will get the value of R as 132 upon 2 pi. Looking at the options and in the question given, we will have to take pi as 22 upon 7. We can take 22 upon 7 right away, or we can leave it as such. Let's take it right away so that it will be easier. So this is 44. 44 into 3 is 132. So we will have 21 units as the radius. So the radius of this particular cylinder is 21 units. Now, 21. We have a spherical ball with a diameter of 36. That means the radius is going to be 18 units. Now, when the ball is going to be dropped inside the cylinder, because of the volume of the water displaced because of this sphere or this ball, the water will rise and some part will overcome the volume and some part of the water will spill out. So we need to find out how much of water is spilled out. So the volume displaced by the sphere minus the volume available will give us the extra volume. So the volume of this sphere is 4 by 3 into pi into r cube, the radius being 18, so this is 18 cube, minus the volume of the empty part of the cylinder, which is going to give us pi r square into height, and the height was only 11. So if we look at this calculation, this will result in the answer. So what we can do is we can take out 22 by 7 common. This 3 will take care of one of the 18s. So instead of 18 into 18 into 18, we will have 18 into 18 into 6 into 4 into 22. That's what we'll have. And we will have 21 into 21 into 11. So this is what it will look like. 4 into 6 into 18 into 18, because 22 is outside, and minus 21 into 21 into 11. Looking at the options, we will definitely have only 7 in the denominator. So option A and C, they cancel out. And looking at 22, we can very much say that the answer should be in the table of 11, because 22 is in the table of 11. There is no denominator which will cancel out that 22. So between B and D option, 2 plus 2 plus 7 is 11. 11 minus 9 is not in the table of 11. So B is not there. D is supposed to be the answer. 2 plus 0 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. So D becomes our answer. So we don't have to go through the entire calculation. If you look at the options closely, we will be able to get the answer. One more thing to observe is this number is in the table of 9. This number is also in the table of 9. So their difference will also be in the table of 9. So between option B and D, only D is also in the table of 9. So this is in the table of 11 as well as in the table of 9. So D is the answer.